Ka Sohiong constituency kadai kawai na ka constituency ka balas dang ban kio ba ha ka yok ka kot ka roi ka par ban karep karyang ha ka ni ka kenti ba menta kala sakhi ya ka jingpli menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ya ki laitli ka project batmai balade banchna ban bu mawnongrim ru ya ka bai ka project ban sedang no shen ka badan ha block office kini ki laitli ka project balade banchna ki kentup ya ka CM Connect Center Kajingchna ya ka Block Integrated Development Complex, Kajingchna ya ka Block Resource Center, but mawnongrim balak pli de menteri rangba kadai banchna ya ka ka madan futsal, artili ki kamra kre, ki jaka lejbar, ki septic tank, but ka returning wall lani ka kenro jingeda. Hagani si lawan bayin donlang do emali ka than uba sinchar kapar roy lingdo thaba uba sastana satun uba di menteri bari khmi ya ka Community and Rural Development Abhilash Baranwar, Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasil District, ba CJ ke Warjri beri video ka Sohiong Sinadi Block, lingkat ki weipat ki kendam ki lendan, bat ka jingsa khilang de ki hajar ngot ki paj ba jong ka dong ka than. Menteri rang ba ulong bakum ka nuksa ya ki weipat ki para MLA bat ki menteri habali ban pli ya ki jaka bat ki kam ki baide bat paj ba. Ula aiti ya ka ni jingpli ya ki mawnongrim hau ba pentingan lang nong telang ubade shipai barim ka Eastern Command Indian Army jangka ADG plie Indian Army lait hu bagajingshna ya ka Block Integrated Development Complex kalakot ha ka jinglot ka balong arkror nyophnyaw lak life saw hajar saw spotting ka jingshna ya ka Block Resource Center kalakot ya ka jinglot ka balong sanpholak tingka bat ka sanction ka balabu na ka banta ka madan futsal artili ki kamra khre ki jaka lebar ki septic tank bat ka returning wall lani ka kenro jingeda kalakot ha ka jinglot ka balong kandai pu pralak arpo hajar tingka
श्रीमान आपका सम्मान पर एक ABSI 23 अदर रैंक रूमा 24 सम्मान पर हाजिर है श्रीमान जय सर.
As you are all aware that we have started a very small but a very meaningful program and a meaningful procedure especially for the inauguration of the block offices. I intend to make it as common as possible, where instead of the minister or the chief minister inaugurating buildings, I would want somebody from the society, some individual who has contributed in some way to the village or to the state or to the country, do the honors to inaugurate that building or that particular project. I feel it is much more meaningful because Chief Minister and Minister will do their work, do what has to be done, but involving the community, involving those who have contributed to society, not only sends a positive message to the people, but also leads to a sense of recognition for those who have contributed. So today we have an ex-army person in the form of Bapintanla, and it is an honor that a person who has served for our country is going to be today inaugurating this particular block office today. So I just wanted to share this, and this is something that I would desire that every department in every inauguration should try and bring somebody from the community to do the honors to inaugurate the building.
Thank you, sir.
So, for the citizens and for the press and the media, So this is what we call the CM Connect centers. As you already know that the CM Connect is a program. The CM Connect is an idea that the Chief Minister must connect with the grassroots, must connect with the people. And in order to connect governance with the people, we are using multiple channels. And therefore, whether it's the call center, whether it's a CM Connect program, which is what we're going to have after some time, or whether it is centers like these, where people can come and they can address, they can express their grievances out here. I will just try, I'm not very good at this, but I'll just try. I'm told that there is some complaint that is there. So let me inaugurate this Sohiong CM Connect Center by being the person to take the first complaint officially. Come. So what is the grievance? Please tell me what is the issue that you have facing, problem facing?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
This is from of our village. Main thing is for farmers, that is the irrigation. 1 point. And number 2 is the main thing is playground. Medium. Mini stadium for playground. And also for the health department also, we have to upgrade for the CSC also.
Which village is this?
It's most one in this area.
Okay. Is an online center. So there are agents out here who will be entering all the issues that have been mentioned here by Bajirwa. These will go straight to the different departments, and the different departments will then take up this matter, revert back to the center, and this center will then revert back to Bajirwa. Of course, we have to know that we cannot solve all the problems. Yes, but what we will do is that at least we will ensure that we note everything down and work towards solving it. And there are some of them which are very simple, you know, that we understand, like for example the mini stadium that you mentioned. These are areas we can easily work on. Irrigation depends on how big the area is, so we have to work into all those details. But friends, the point being that this kind of a system and this kind of a process allows people now to connect with the government and express their concerns and their problems in a very, very simple and a direct way. So I hope and I wish this center the very best. And please remember, you are the most important people in the center. Your one small smile can make a big difference. I can see that you guys smile very nicely. So please be kind to the people. Please be good to them and take care of them. I think being kind is maybe 50% of the work that we try to do through CM Connect, to be empathetic, to understand the people's problem. And I think that's very, very important. Okay? So good luck.